This is a test for silver soldering a flat face ferrule with a simple map torch. Obviously, if you have an oxyacetylene in the background, you want to use that instead. So the first step is clean your tube. Actually, the very first step is to cut it, and I just used a cheap, was this a rigid 1/8 to 5/8 pipe cutter to get a nice square cut. You'd then file for taper on the inside and outside with this guy. Take some emery cloth, sand it. I also sand the ferrule side just a little bit with this piece of emery cloth. After you got all that sanded, clean it with some acetone, and then apply a white paste flux. Stacel's the one I use. So everything is mated up inside there. The flux is in, and I try to be really careful to clean the flux from inside the tube so it doesn't drip down the interior. And here we go. Let's see how this works. Start in the bottom to burn off all the water out of the flux. You can see it starting to boil off there. Now we'll come up and start heating the ferrule. We're melted. You can see we're almost cherry red on the ferrule. Here's the final product. You can see solder has made it all the way down to the fillet.
Try and focus.
Focus. And the inside is nice and clean. All right, that's it.